So in this file, you're going to have to factor after you raise each side to the power. Probably all of them, if not most of them. So make sure that you understand that when you get an x squared square, after you raise the thing to the power, most of them are going to be squared. You do have to get it equal to 0 and factor it. All right, so I'm going to put down here get equal to 0 and factor when there's an x squared. You should get two answers. All right, you want to check both answers. All right, a lot of times one of them won't work, but one of them will. All right, so you want to get it equal to 0 and factor when you have an x squared. And then the big thing is when you have, like, say, x minus 2 squared, that means you have to do this. If you try to do any kind of shortcut, you're going to get the wrong answer. All right, so when you see the squared, immediately just write it twice. I'm going to put an x through it and write it right next to it. You'll see me do that in some of the problems. So you want to pay attention to these because, again, as I said in the last file, if you're going to get a question on any kind of exam or assessment, it's going to be one of these. All right, this is 100% what you're going to get, where you have to square both sides, and it involves this squaring a binomial on one side or the other. Practice this. This is not difficult to do if you've been able to do the things we've done earlier in the year.